Yo Tech fam, buckle up. Today we're dropping some of the craziest, most mind-blowing innovations out there. Quick hits, big vibes, let's roll. ASUS ROG Swift OLED PG 27 AQWP-W. First up, ASUS just went nuclear with the ROG Swift OLED. 540 Hz at 1440p, or a staggering 720 Hz at 1080p. Add tandem OLED HDR, true black glossy, and that slick translucent back. It's a dream for FPS warriors and creators. Price is still a mystery, but trust me, this one's built to dominate. So tell me, would you cop this monitor or pass? From gaming glory, let's jet over to something futuristic. Saab Reboot Concept. Saab is back. Well, almost. Designer David Sova cooked up a jaw-dropping electric reboot. JIT-inspired canopy, turbine wheels, clean Scandinavian design. It screams Saab's aerospace DNA. Should Saab make a full comeback? Let me know in the comments. Switching gears from cars to hacking legends. Flipper One. The Flipper Zero team is leveling up. Meet Flipper One, a modular pocket-sized Linux computer with dual processors, orange backlit screen, and possibly even Kali Linux. It's like carrying a hacker's toolbox in your pocket. Hacker's dream or just hype? Drop your take below. Now let's talk eco-innovation that hits different. Growink Bio-Ink. Imagine printing books or art with ink made from mushrooms. Yup, Growink's MYCO colors, magenta, yellow, cyan, black, are fully biodegradable, feeding the soil instead of trashing it. Printing just got sustainable and stylish. Would you go green with this? From the Earth to the stars. Celio Smart Telescope. Celio Smart Telescope is like stargazing on autopilot. With auto tracking, go-to navigation, and a Starlight-grade IMX 462 sensor, you can explore 4000 plus celestial objects crystal clear. Portable, community-driven, it's astronomy reimagined. Who's down for cosmic adventures? Back down to Earth, literally into the waves. HoverAir Aqua. Check this out, a waterproof drone for water sports. The HoverAir Aqua lifts off straight from the water, hits 34 miles per hour, and films in 4K slow-mo at 100 FPS. And at under 250 grams, no FAA license needed. Surfers and kayakers, this one's for you. Would you take this on your next trip? And finally, let's turn up the bass. Ascendo 100 Sub Pro. Meet the world's biggest subwoofer, the Ascendo 100 Sub Pro. We're talking 8 feet tall, 21-inch voice coil, and rumbling down to 1 Hz. This beast doesn't just play sound, it shakes your soul. So, who's brave enough to put this in their living room? And that's the rundown, fam. From gaming monitors to cosmic telescopes and bass monsters, tech never stops blowing our minds. If you vibe with this, don't just scroll, smash that like, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a drop. Share this with your crew, and remember, this is iTech-Tale, your front row seat to the wildest tech on the planet. Catch you in the next one. Peace.